again, good morning, glad to meet you again. So another 10 minutes I am going to take your valuable, precious time, right? This time I am going to talk on your topic NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Program, right? Neuro means nerves of brain, linguistic means language, program means command, right? Our brain is recording everything in a different manner. It takes the information through the five senses. It is recording in a different formats. By changing the patterns, changing the experience formats, we can change our behavior and life. If we want to take out of some unwanted incident happen in your life, definitely NLP works better, faster. Within a day or two, within half an hour, something can be done, something can be transferred in your system. Right? Before we go to that, I will give a small PowerPoint perception, how we people perceive. What do you see in this picture? Louder please. What do you see in this picture? Ladies moving there, right? Okay. In this picture, boy sitting with a girl. Dog, okay. Right? Okay. Now go to the previous picture. A person is moving with a cleaning material. But what we perceived here, as if a girl is moving there. Right? Okay. Come to the next one. What do you see in this shade? The girl is very close to your boy, right? Standing very close to your boy. But what do you perceive? Actually something different. People are moving at different places. A shadow is like that. So we perceive something, right? Our perception, right? I am going to show another one sentence. You have to grasp it so fast and read it louder. Okay? Right? What did you read? Trees in the forest X. How many words are there? Trees in the forest X. 5? No, please read it again. Trees in the forest X. Right? We missed one D. Fine. Thank you. So NLP is something, the experimental basis is a model rather than the theory. It's a study of subjective It's all about how we experience, how we record the things in our system, in our mind, and represent the world through our five senses, through our neurological process, right? So it's linguistic means the way the language we use shapes and reflects our experience of the world, and programming, finding and trying out the new and positive ways to think, speak and act in order to reach our maximum potential. How the things are recorded in our brain, that's the thing. Simple, very simple logic, right? Invented by John Grinder and Richard Bandler, right, based on the work of Milton Erickson and Virginia Satir and Fritz Perls. These are psychologists. A new approach to psychotherapy co-founded by Richard Bandler and John Grinder. Very powerful exercise actually. Within a very short time we can change the behaviors. Even bad habits can be changed. You want to take after some negative incident happen in your life, it can be changed. How, in which format it has been recorded in the system, that will be disturbed actually. Right? I am going to give a 5 minutes demo. I want one person to come over here. I am also narrating the same thing so other people can follow by sitting in your place. Right? I want one participant to come over here. Right? Please. Give a big hand to them. Good. So mind and body of the, some of the prepositions are, these are the things, mind and body of the same system and each affects the other. Right? The experience has a structure. When we change the pattern or structure, our experience will automatically change. This is the very important thing. Please take your seat. Right? We can neutralize unpleasant memories. Yeah. Any unpleasant things are happening, we can neutralize it. It will not allow. This system will not allow it inside. Right? The map is not the territory. So we all have different maps of the world. We see from our experience only. Right? Whatever we perceive with our perception only. Right? So things, the reality may be different. That's why I have shown some of the pictures. Our mental maps of the world are not the world. Right? I want caller mic also. There is no failure, only feedback and a renewed opportunity for success. I am going little faster. Kindly bear with me. When you believe, what you believe to be true is either is true or becomes true, because you are seeing from your angle only, from your map only. Right? Whether you think you can or you think you cannot, you are right. Told by Henry Ford, right? The other prepositions of people already have all the resources they need. Whatever we have, definitely everything we have inside.